Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
12 common phrasal verbs with speak. Like and subscribe to the channel. Speak up. Meaning, to talk louder or express one's opinion. Example, you need to speak up if you want to be heard in the meeting. Speak out. Meaning, to publicly express an opinion, often against something. She decided to speak out against the injustice. Speak for. Meaning, to represent or express the views of someone else. Example, I can't speak for everyone, but I think it's a good idea. Speak with. Meaning, to have a conversation with someone. Example, I need to speak with you about the project. Speak to. Meaning, to address or talk to someone. Example, could you speak to the manager about this issue? Speak about. Meaning, to talk about a particular topic. Example, let's speak about the upcoming event. Speak on. Meaning, to give a talk or lecture on a specific subject. Example, she will speak on climate change at the conference. Speak against. Meaning, to express opposition to something. Example, they spoke against the new policy. Speak of. Meaning, to mention or refer to something. Example, she often speaks of her travels. Speak to something. Meaning, to address or refer to a particular issue or topic. Example, the report speaks to the challenges we face. Speak down to. Meaning, to talk to someone as if they are less intelligent or important. Example, don't speak down to me. I understand perfectly well. Speak in favor of. Meaning, to support or endorse something or someone verbally. Example, he spoke in favor of the proposal. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.